Welcome back. Today I'm going to try and beat a personal record. 3, 2, 1. Hey there, and welcome back. The surroundings are a fair bit different to what you're used to, and I had a little mission today to see how long it would take me from my front door all the way to opening the hangar doors for the plane to be ready and raring to go. And the time? 14:26. Welcome to the new hangar for Kilo Charlie Bravo and the new home for this channel, Slinging Down Under. This move takes away a number of the roadblocks that I was facing at Corowa, travel being the most obvious one. It enables me more time to be able to do the thing that I absolutely love, and that's fly the plane. The other thing is just popping into the hangar to be able to do routine maintenance and also clean the plane. Over the last week, I've been really busy on the aircraft. I've just recently completed the 50 hourly, so did an oil change, filter change, an inspection, and also, prior to the flight, I had a little bit of an issue.
During my pre-flight, before the flight from Corowa to Albury, I noticed a really uncomfortable distance between the wheel fairings and the tyre. So much so that I could see there'd been a little bit of rubbing on both the rear tyres. Before the flight, I retightened all the screws around the fairing back up. This gave me enough room to be comfortable for the flight, but still uncomfortable that it was that close to the tyre.
Whilst the wheel spat wasn't ideal, it was also opportune time because I'd also recently just booked in my plane for its first 50 hours to change the oil and also the oil filter, plus a number of other little issues that we wanted to address. I enlisted the boys from Smart Air to do the 50 hour alongside me just to make sure that I was ticking all the boxes on the first one.
I'm pleased to note both the engine and the plane are in great shape after the service, with a clean bill of health. As for the fairings, we got stuck into it with a Dremel, grinded down all the areas that were rubbing, and it's like new again. This obviously could have been a really big safety issue. The rubbing could have caused a lot of heat and caused a tyre blowout on landing or takeoff, so I'm glad that I got it fixed.
I was absolutely wrapped with their work, and in particular Tristan Mole, who was the one that guided me through the entire process. He gave me some awesome information also throughout the day on the Rotax engine. I found him to be an absolute wealth of knowledge. After my last flight in Corowa, I topped the tanks up to the absolute brim, and I made an absolute rookie error. So the capacity in these tanks is 198 litres, and I basically had it topped up pretty well close to the top. You'll remember me saying in the video how hot it was that day. What I forgot to mention was that I'd pushed the plane out for a good 15 minutes before I'd even started my pre-flight. The pre-flight we've spoken about, I'm taking a lot longer than probably the ordinary pilot would because I'm double checking things. So what was my rookie error? Fuel expands. So what I ended up with was from the vent, a massive fuel trail of MOGAS, staining the underside of the wing through the ailerons and the flaps. And whilst you can't see the residue now, let me tell you, there had to be a fair amount of elbow grease to get that all undone. Which leads me to my next point. After the service, the Smart Air guys allowed me to use their wash bay and I completed my first wash of the plane. I have to tell you, and I'm being really serious here, Washing my plane was actually therapeutic. It was the best experience. And again, it's just one of those experiences where if you've built your own plane, you kind of will know what I'm saying. I was able to go over the entire airframe, washing it meticulously as I was going along and learning about the plane as well while I was washing it. Including all about belly grime and the amount of exhaust soot that sits on the bottom of the belly of the aircraft. I haven't got any more excuses not to fly anymore. So on the next adventure, we're going to go to one of the local aerodromes with a huge reputation for hospitality and also great food. And for me, I want to start using this plane for the exact reason that I bought it for, an adventure machine, and I also want to reminisce for some of my younger days. So stay tuned for the next episode on Slinging Down Under, and Kilo Charlie Bravo, welcome home.
Clear prop!